Okay.
All right. Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center located in Royal Oak, Michigan. And we're adjusting Santa Claus today.
Hello there.
Yep. He came far from the North Pole just for a KST adjustment.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Because us KST doctors are hard to find, aren't we?
I'm going to bring all the elves later, too.
Okay,
so I hope the schedule's open.
It is open for you, Santa.
Thank you.
So, how have you been doing?
Oh, excellent. Excellent.
Oh, good.
My busy time of year.
Yes.
I need to be extra jolly.
All right.
Can we do that?
We can sure do that.
Okay. Well, I already feel it. It's tingling. Does that mean it's working?
It is working.
It's working.
It's working its magic. So.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a little tense.
Little tense.
Little tense.
Little tension going on, Santa.
Oh.
You're going really low, Santa. Sorry about that one.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right.
There's a little bit of a panic pattern going on with Santa today.
Well, with 2 weeks from Christmas, it's highly stressful being ready.
Do you know the 3 T's that cause problems with your spine, Santa?
No.
Well, trauma's the biggest one.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and you know what the big traumas are for you.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Naughty boys and girls.
Well, that's more than 5. Trauma is in and out the chimneys, getting in and out of your sleigh, bending down, talking to the elves all the time.
Right.
You know, carrying that heavy sack. Yes. And then the thoughts. It is the holiday season, so it's very stressful. We know that, right?
Yes,
checking your list, checking the naughty
twice,
people, checking it twice.
Gonna find out who's naughty and nice.
Yeah, and the last one is toxins. All those cookies you're eating.
Oh,
So,
that's my weakness.
Yes. So what you need to do is for every cookie, you need to eat a carrot.
Oh.
Sorry about that one. Sorry.
And Mrs. Claus has been on me to start eating more healthy, so. All right. What if I had whole wheat cookies? Whole grain cookies?
Just eat some carrots.
Okay. All right.
All right, Santa, you're looking great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Big season.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Welcome. And Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.